Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Angry Bird 2 game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application. Now in the search bar, type in Angry Birds 2. Now in order to download this app, tap on the install button of Angry Birds 2 game. Now after the app has been downloaded, click on the play button in order to play the game. So that is how you can download Angry Birds 2 game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.